Welcome everyone to our discussion on a leading Canadian training partner that's been around since 2004, providing top-tier training in engineering, industrial, and project management fields. You know, they've really made their mark with flexible training solutions and cutting-edge workshops.
Yeah, exactly. And what's really fascinating is how they've earned endorsements from all those respected Canadian engineering associations. That sure speaks to their credibility.
Totally. And not to mention, participation earns continuing education units, which are like super valuable credits that resonate across the industry. It's like getting a badge of honor for your professional growth.
Right. And that ties directly into their specialized programs. Take, for instance, the Flexible and Rigid Retaining Wall Systems Design Workshop. This one comes with 1.2 CEUs, correct?
Yeah.
It sounds like a deep dive into state-of-the-practice design tools and construction techniques.
Yep, absolutely. It's designed to equip participants with, like a comprehensive toolkit for safe and cost-effective earth retention technologies. We're talking about everything from selection and design to performance evaluation of retaining walls. That's a pretty robust skill set.
And it's not just about theory, right? I mean, they cover practical aspects too, such as subsurface investigation and soil or rock property determination. But don't you think the workshop sometimes seems a tad overly technical for those new to the subject?
Interesting point, sure. It's technical, but that's exactly what professionals like civil and geotechnical engineers need. It's like diving straight into the deep end of retaining wall design, ensuring you grasp all the factors influencing wall selection, from geotechnical conditions to loading and aesthetics. That level of detail is crucial in our field.
For sure. And I love how they integrate case histories into the learning experience. Bringing real-world examples, as you might say, makes everything more relatable, right? It's like combining classroom theory with practical field insights.
Exactly. Plus, they incorporate methods like lateral earth pressure calculations and even LRFD principles for retaining wall design. It's like they're giving you every piece of the puzzle.
Right?
And because of their experienced trainers and state-of-the-art facilities, the sessions really stand out.
It really does seem comprehensive. And beyond the energetic workshops, they offer in-house training programs too. I mean, imagine tailoring a training session perfectly for your organization right at your site.
Exactly. It's a bespoke approach. Companies can have training designed specifically to meet their project needs, enhancing team expertise and keeping up with industry trends. The flexibility there is key in today's fast-changing engineering landscape.
I guess it's like having a custom-made suit versus an off-the-rack one, huh? Well, almost. But some might argue that such specialized training could miss out on broader industry insights. What do you think about that?
Well, I respectfully challenge that point a bit. While it is specialized, it's also built on comprehensive industry standards. The tailored approach doesn't mean narrow focus. It's actually an integration of best practices from across the field. The robust mix ensures you stay updated on both specifics and the wider industry trends.
That makes sense. It really seems like a win-win for continuous professional development. And these programs, being around for nearly 2 decades, have probably seen a lot of evolution in technical education.
Absolutely, and that legacy gives them a solid foundation to innovate and adapt. Partners in training like these really help teams reach new heights in skill and efficiency. So if you're in engineering or project management, this is definitely a resource worth exploring.
Totally. A real partner in driving technological and educational excellence. Thanks for breaking that down. It's been an insightful chat.